Hi guys, good morning. It's Friday and katatapos ko lang din guys mag-prepare. So, since it's Friday, naka-Goodyear uniform tayo today guys. So, punta na tayo sa work guys. Let's go guys! So, yan guys, nandun na tayo sa work and katatapos ko lang din na to guys mag-breakfast. So, since it's Friday, isang araw na lang is mag-rest day na tayo. So, sobrang excited din ako kasi makakapagpahinga na din tayo kahit isang araw lang. So, anyway guys, since it's Friday and wala naman tayong delivery today, we will just have to encode all the sales as usual and we will also guys check the sales kung pumasok pa lahat ng mga payments sa ating passbook. So actually yun lang naman yung magiging agenda ko for today guys kasi next week ayusin ko na yung reports ko kasi nga malapit na rin mag month end. So yun guys, dyan lang muna kayo and mag-work lang muna ako. So stay tuned guys! So, yan guys. So, working. I know some of you guys wondering kung bakit ito yung palaging vlog ko na nasa work lang ako. Actually guys, ito talaga yung nagiging everyday routine ko kasi yun nga, after work, diretso lang din ako sa bahay and wala naman masyadong ganap everyday. So, minsan kapag kumakain kami sa labas, yun yung nagiging different vlog ko. So, yan guys, just please bear with me. So, anyway guys, tapusin ko lang muna yung work ko and dyan naman na kayo guys. So, anyway guys, patapos na din yung work ko. And actually, wala naman masyadong ganap today kasi after work, diretso lang din tayo sa bahay. So, yan guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye guys!